In view of what has been discussed above, the impugned judgment and order is set aside, and the matter is remanded to the Learned Family Court for a fresh decision. In view of the above discussions, the investigation as against the present petitioner Minu Subba is hereby quashed. However, it is clarified that the police may continue with the investigation of the case as against any other person. In view of the above, the instant petition stands dismissed as non-maintainable. It would, however, be open for the petitioner to avail of any other remedy provided by law, subject, of course, to the laws of limitation.
Repeat.
Your Lord. I will.
Speak a
Page
little
number
louder,
20.
please. Yes, 29.
Did
Case
not-
they not received, Lordship.
Did you not receive? List again on.
It is
Interim order, sir. He's on interim.
Interim
From
order
date-
passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing.
It failed.
Hey, please, your lordship. I beg to mention item number 35, my lord. In this matter, today we have filed an additional affidavit that but may not be available, my lord. today.
He
Yes,
not received.
3-5.
Yes, my lord.
All right.
Interim.
Same order.
Interim is, there is an interim that may continue. my
Yes.
lord. Earlier, lord.
May I please, Your Lord? If I beg to mention item 24.
Mhm.
The case diary has not been interim.
All right.
Case they not received.
Same order.
The interim to
Lordship.
deeply obliged. May I, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 28. Lordship,
Yes,
PG not available. Lordship.
interim of diary,
same order.
deeply obliged.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 31, Lordship, daily list. Lordship, it is not available, Lordship.
Interim is there.
Interim is here, Lordship. Then
Right. Same order.
interim will continue.
Man,
Hey.
Lordship. In
31,
this case, our seat submitted, Lordship.
31.
31, Lordship.
Charge sheet submitted.
Submitted.
Then
Then interim, Lordship.
And you write call for, is
Yes, sir.
that search sheet has been submitted. Hence call for the scanned copy of the TCR along with PD.
Highly obliged.
Interim to continue the next.
812. Highly obliged.
With regards to item number 41, adjournment for the day, Council. Item number 40,
Item 41,
Order of matter.
on the prayer of
we are
learned
on interim, my lord.
counsel for the petition. List again on. And so interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date of listing. Yes,
Back to item 10.
1-6. Yes,
Part of this.
prayer
Can
of
you
learned counsel for the petitioner list the matter on.
It's on live.
When can we have it?
Any day of the December, second week,
Second week.
9, not 10. 9. Plus.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, I want to withdraw this petition.
Withdraw. You are Mr.
A Brahma, lord.
Hmm?
A Brahma, lord.
In the prayer of Mr. A. Brahma, your name is not there. You're appearing for.
Your lordship, today I have filed this, Vakranama.
A. Brahma, learned counsel for the petitioner. Petition stands dismissed as withdrawn.
Also blessed.
The petitioners are arrested on 4/10/25. Lordship, connecting AB is fixed on 3/12 for CD Lordship in respect of co-accused. Lordship, may allow
List the matter on 3/12 or along with
AB 2703. Applies.
Regular bail application. FIR at code 14, my lord. I'm already in jail for more than 10 days.
how many?
10 days, my lord. Only
Oh,
one
10.
remand. 10 days.
Only 10.
So, my lord, your lordship kindly see what I am doing, my lord. How this case sections are attacked, my lord. Only one election or time or able hoy thake. That is the only line, my lord, in I have posted in the Facebook, and that's why I'm in jail. I'm not on merit today, my lord. Your lordship kindly see my phone has been seized. Nothing to my lord. Already I'm in jail for 10 days. There is no police man also. So what more for investigation, my for the purpose of investigation, definitely may not be required, my lord. Case 14.
After perusal of the case diary, trial court has expected a fair payload.
What will the case diary reveal other than this?
My lord. Only one word.
Had Mr. T.J. Mohan to learn it senior counsel, learn it additional PP, an application. First take. It appears that the only allegation against the petitioner is that he made a certain comment within bracket, that is within bracket. You see from the FIR, it is in bold, page number 14, down below. Quote that, which got published in social media by SMS news channels. And apparently the comment was in relation to the recent bomb blast that took place in Delhi. In the meantime, the petitioner has already spent 10 days in custody.
He was arrested on 13/11.
So how many? 10.
10 days. It is exactly 11. Today is 11th day, my
11 days in custody. Having regard to the nature of the allegation, further detention of the petitioner is not considered necessary. Accordingly, the prayer for bail is allowed. It shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with one surety. To the
CGM by Lord Borpeta.
Borpeta.
Develop.
Lordship, kindly taken after some time.
Yes, or this is Lord PDRS bill application and Lordship will find the FIR at case Lord 10. Case 10 is the FIR. Now Lordship kindly see in top, my lord, the complainant Nawab Mullah,
Hmm.
who has been arrested in my lord NDPS case. Now he is dealing in a NDPS items, my lord, and we the people, my lord, protested in the local area. That's so, my lord, we have been blamed to the, my lord, false allegation. Now we have annexed the, my lord, affair against the Nawab and, my lord, the frauding report, who has already been arrested, the Nawab, who lost affair against us.
It may be called for Lordship, injury with allegation is injury with Dow and in head Lordship. So injury report is required Lordship. There are
Now, Lordship, kindly see page 18. The person who lost the affair against us, Nawab, he has been arrested already in NDPS case. Page 18, my lord.
May have
Page
been
19,
arrested,
Lordship will find.
but he may have been arrested because he dealt with
other
something, but the allegation against you is different.
Because of his, my lord, my lord, dealings
when
in a,
can
my
I
lord,
have the
NDPS
CD?
items, we protested it. That CD may be called for in the meantime, my lord, for the timing, my lord.
That is the whole point in the meantime.
We are local, my lord, cultivators, my lord. We have nothing.
How many are there? 10.
10.
When can you have?
We are for 8 months.
T12 is from South Salmora. Uncut.
Short time. Have the CD.
My lord, till then, my lord, I pray, my lord.
No, that is why the very reason we have given such a short date. Have it.
Oblige.
Lordship. Pass up time.
Hmm?
Time.
Page please, your lordship. Here's same item number 4, my lord, that Facebook post, my lord. Page 15 is the FIR, my lord. One of the petitioner, my lord, he has commented, my lord, in a post of Assam Live 24, my lord. That মানে বিজেপি চৰকাৰ শাসন কৰি আছে দিল্লীত, তথাপি এনেকুৱা ঘটনা কেনেকুৱা ঘটিল? যেতিয়া ইলেকশ্যন আহে তেতিয়া দেশত এনেকুৱা ঘটনা কিয় ঘটে? That is only the thing, my lord. Kind of, my lord, BJP, my lord, Delhi, my lord, first types of, then how could first time it happen? The only, my lord, allegation against is commented, my lord.
After the bomb blast of Delhi.
Sensitive matter will have the CD.
Yes.
So, lordship, my lord, only this thing, my lord.
When?
Only the Facebook comment, my lord, yes.
It's from Bozari Lordship.
Only he has commented, my lord, and nothing else.
212. 212.
So, lordship, I have to annex the post also, my lord, what is the Facebook post? Oblige, your lordship.
In this case, my lord, the charge sheet was submitted against the petitioner showing him he is not, my lord, against not person, against other person, lordship. My lord, kindly see at page 16, lordship. Page 16 is the charge sheet, lordship. Relevant page is at 18, lordship.
It has come up earlier.
Yes, lordship.
The report was called for.
Come in the
Report was
motion
come
again.
for, my lord, from the IO.
That report is not received, Lordship.
My lord, charge sheet was submitted against other person, lordship. I am not that person, lordship. After charge sheet, lordship, he was on absconder by declared absconder, lordship. Kindly see an order passed by the Honorable Court, Learned Trial Court, lordship, at page 19, lordship. Page 19. my lord, police went to search the, my lord, absconded person, lordship. Daubural was there, lordship, and no person in that name was found at that village, lordship. I am the resident of that village, lord. I am not that person. My name is not that, lordship. My father's name
Yes,
is
what is
different.
the instruction you are supposed to?
Yes, sir, we have
Is an
not received
order
any
passed
instruction,
already?
Lordship. After some time, Lordship, any instruction received or not? We have communicated. Lordship. Okay.
Like,
It's also instruction,
Whether
whether any FIR has been lodged.
no case registered against the
No case.
Latiful Islam.
None appears for the petitioner. As per instructions received, learned additional PP submits that no case has been registered against the present petitioner at Woman PS. Hence, the petition stands closed.
Appeal, your lordship. Appeal pass out the time.
I mean,
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
Yes, you were already heard the other day, my lord.
Hmm.
Facts of the case, my lord.
Yes.
NI case, my lord, I am here before your lordship as against the, my lord, 20% amount of compensation that has been directed by the trial court to be paid, my lord. My case is that, my lord, right after receiving the demand notice, my lord, I had filed an FIR. In that FIR, I have specifically stated that I do not have any account in the said bank. These checks are not mine, my lord. And in that police case, my lord, he is out on bail, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, I have also replied to the demand notice stating specifically that I do not have any account in the said bank and these checks are not mine. Even after with that knowledge, my lord, he has instituted this present NI case, my lord. Now, during the trial, my lord, even the bank manager has appeared before the court and he has specifically stated that his accounts does not belong to the accused, my lord. And the checks are not mine. The account belongs to another person by the name of Aspati Das. The checks are not mine
Why did we defer it for today? Any,
because, my lord, he was taking time to argue the case, my lord.
No, please, Lordship. Lordship, on the earlier date, Lordship, he relied on some facts, Lordship. And we communicated with the client. Lordship, he told us that it will take 6 to 7 days, working days, to obtain the lower court, everything, Lordship, submitted there. And we have not obtained the instructions and the lower court records from the client's, Lordship. So we need 1 week of time, Lordship, 6 to 7 working days, we will get the records and we will have to go through the records, Lordship. We have already communicated with the client. As per our instruction, he has already applied, Lordship. It will take 6 to 7 days because it is a voluminous record, Lordship.
Trial
We
court
have to go,
records are already before your lordship.
but Lordship, we have to go through everything, Lordship, because we have been engaged, Lordship. So, Lordship, we have applied, Lordship. First week of December,
Lordship,
Lordship.
trial court records are already before your lordship.
Lordship, we have to go through, Lordship.
you have to go through.
In that case, my lord, I will pray for this, my lord, stay order, my lord.
Lordship,
Because-
Lordship, the
Oh,
next date is fixed on 29, Lordship, 11, and this
29, ma'am.
order was passed back on 23, Lordship. They can simply
The
file
last
one
order,
petition,
ma'am.
Lordship. We will not press, Lordship. No stay, Lordship. Lordship,
If they
We will
state
not
that
praise,
they will
lordship.
not praise for the compensation amount on the next date, my lord, lordship may grant them time.
we will not press, Lordship. He will simply
may be
file one
Had
petition.
learned counsel for the petitioner and learned counsel for the respondent. It is submitted on behalf of the respondent that further time is required to go through the trial court documents. And further submits that the case is fixed before the learned trial court on 29.
29.
29. It is 29/12.
11.
29/11. 25. It is further submitted by learned counsel that complainant will not press for compensation, took up for 20% compensation, deposit of 20% compensation amount on that date. Full stop. Accordingly, place the matter on 5.
Obliged Lordship.
I'm sorry, when I was
Yes,
called for, my lord, I am in another court, my lord. Here, I pray for an anticipatory bail petition, my lord. FIR is at page number 17, my lord. The allegation is that, my lord, 13,50,000 rupees has been credited in my bank account. There are two accused, one is me and another is my wife, my lord. And the allegation is that, my lord, the money of one Sonu Kumar has been credited in my bank account. And there is a case in Kaimur district of Bihar, my lord. I have annexed that FIR and along with the copies of annexed with that FIR, my lord. That FIR does not disclose anything that money has been credited to me and I have seated that person. The accounts, my lord, the statement, my lord, that statement also doesn't disclose anything, my lord. FIR is at page number 18, my lord.
your name is?
My name is Raju Ahmed, my lord. I have an NGO, my lord. Suddenly, police come to my residence, my lord, and they initially deploy a police team in my residence. Is some documents. And from this FIR, I could learn that there is a case, there is an FIR, my lord, lodged with cyber crime police station, Kaimur. And immediately I applied for a certified copy of that FIR, my lord. I have annexed that FIR also along with the.
Yes, PP.
Yeah.
Who is appearing? I'm trying to understand what is the case against the petitioner. Oh, yours. There is another. FIR ends in page 20. In between, you have put in type copy of FIR. Yes. So the second page of the FIR reveals the actual allegation.
Second, page number 20.
What is page 19 in between? That should have come after page 20.
Yes, my lord. 20.
What are all these photographs about?
What happened, my lord? The police team has raided my residence, the joint residence, my lord. Thereafter, the police, without any order from in local court, my lord, has deployed a police team. And that police team has made for 24-hour surveillance. Thereafter, a writ petition has been filed by my brother, my lord. Thereafter, this honorable court has directed the police team to evacuate the premises of our residence. From the beginning, my lord, police has taken a restrict action against my lord.
What does it have to do with the present allegation?
My lord, main
There is a
allegation-
different issue.
yes, my lord.
Surveillance is a different issue, but as far as the case against you is concerned, we need
When,
to see the CD.
When police has raided, my lord, then only we could learn about the interim protection may be given, my
No,
lord.
not at all.
My lord.
Earlier this,
Because,
Only CD.
interim may be given.
CD may be called for lordship, this only series.
Interim may be given.
The earlier case was here before the wife is before your lordship one time. So you gone for a case there, so the main person behind the.
Yes, yes.
Not
So no interim in that case also.
Earlier
that
disposed
case,
of, but that
your
no interim was there lordship.
started
So
bail,
CD may be called for lordship.
so that may be given, my lord.
TCR received.
As per the first case, was TCR not received yet.
TCR none appears. TCR not received. List again. Give a date.
The matter where there is no FIR, Your Honor. And the facts of the para 4 of my opinion. The matter of completely of civil nature, Your Honor. In the month of February 2022, Your Honor.
What do you mean no FIR? You don't have the FIR or there is no FIR at all?
We are praying for and this where there is no FIR that has not been lodged. And police.
So
has
you'll
been
get the
continuously
instruction.
visiting-
Any cases registered or not lordship?
Lordship, police has been continuously visiting the place of the petitioner.
We can have it tomorrow itself.
Tomorrow, day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow already. Learn an additional PP to obtain instruction as to whether any FIR has been lodged against the petitioner. List again on day after tomorrow.
Publish. Pertaining to lordship or from Dibrugarh to Balaghat district law. But
Beg your pardon? What is this about?
lordship, a transfer of the pending cases which is pending before the Dibrugarh Naharkotia court to lordship Horupathar in the district of Balaghat lordship. Lordship
This is a transfer petition.
transfer
Your
petition.
Lordship, probably the nomenclature has been wrongly entered in the petition. It shows this, there is a criminal petition, but it should have been transfer criminal.
In
application.
which case the jurisdiction lies with another court. I'm not having transfer petitions, is it? Transfer petition is before Justice Das, court number 24.
And this will go with
The lordship register may be directed to correct.
It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the present case is a transfer petition within bracket criminal that has been wrongly registered as criminal petition. Registry is directed to do the needful and place it before the appropriate bench.
obliged.
Obliged.
Yes.
They have come for quashing of a charge sheet, my lord.
You're not here?
They're not here. In fact, no case is made out.
Hormone. This is against what FIR?
FIR and charge sheet. T25. T25 IPC, my lord. Here the, my lord, managing director of the school, my lord. If, the daughter of the victor, informant, my lord, she was met to sit in the sunshine mill, kneel down, and thereafter, my lord, she lost consciousness. But against that, then FIR was given, my lord. FIR was lost, and they have challenged that FIR. In fact, initially, section 17 of the 75 of the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection Act was there, but she was found to be above 18, so that section has been removed. The allegation is of 325. Lordship, the FIR is page 16, translated copy.
Yes, what does it say? FIR?
FIR, my lord, page 16, may I read me? With humble submission, I want to state you that my daughter, Akanksha De, at about 17 years, is studying in the 11th class at so and so. That on
What to do?
that one shall be given.
Hmm?
I think
None appears for the petitioner. Respondent is Mr. A appears for the respondent number 2. Place the matter again on.
Yes, my lord, I have been granted interim bail by this honorable court on 14th of October. Parting investigation.
Didi,
He did not receive it.
he did not receive list again, none so and so. Interim order passed earlier to continue till the next date.
Then it be listed after it, not be available. No, after that. 14.
15?
15.
last.
I will be out of 12.
Last week starts from when? 15.
The BA.
Publish. 10 people.
CT along with it. I am
Not received.
He did not receive, Lord.
Did not.
Interim.
Interim order passed earlier.
8.
Like-
11. Also CD not listed.
Let please, Lordship. My lords, as on that is Lordship, 81 days, Lordship, my respectful submission before Lordship. Only considering the period of detention, substantially the investigation is progressed, Lordship. So 81 days more than custodial interrogation had been. So this is the 3 consecutive day, Your Lordship. Earlier fixed on 10/11/2025 along with PM report. Next 14/11/2025 and last day, but for another 7 days time, your lordship allowed 10 days, your lordship, days 24, your lordship. So my lord, my submission restricted to only confined to your lordship. Lordship, 81 days behind the bar, your lordship, whatever condition imposed, your lordship, any stringent condition, I would appear and cooperate with interest.
Lordship, they have sent us a message, Lordship. In there, they have said that the is to be mentioned here that the final post-mortem report of the disease is yet to collect, for which the order could not be complied. Recently, they have said
So that is-
21, Lordship. They need only for short date, Lordship.
So lordship, that is what in earlier submission was also, that submission was there in lordship.
I don't know, but this is
or-
the latest.
So my submission is only 81 is lordship and also on the after recital of the lordship,
Friday did
the FIR your lordship, it appears that some suspicion draws your lordship that since the deceased went out from the petitioner your lordship, so he was under the influence of intoxication your lordship and some injurious beer your lordship and subsequently shifted to the hospital and eventually died.
Prima facie appears that he
Prima facie, there is your lordship.
he sustained grievous injury on the back of his head.
Prima facie.
So your only hope is that the PM report reveals something else.
Was it Friday, Lordship?
This
This
Friday.
Friday.
81.
Friday.
May it please, my lord. My lord, may kindly peruse the last order passed by this honorable 77. Already, my lord, he has not come for last 3 occasions. My lord had even observed. From the last 43 days, we are behind the bars, my lord. Moreover, my lord, the applicant number 2 is a disabled person.
70.
Cannot commit the alleged offense of gang rape, which has been alleged in the said FIR, my. This is a frivolous case. In spite of that, last 43 days, they are behind the bars. Applicant number 1 has a 9-month-old child, my lord. 10 child, my lord.
Lordship, it is
Daily wage laborer, my lord. Last 43 days,
70,
he's
Lordship.
suffering.
70 of the 71 of BNSS. So, Lordship, CD will be required.
CD has not come for last 3 days. It's the 4th date, my lord. At least interim may be granted to me, my lord. Some relief may be given. I am one of the applicant is a disabled person, my lord. My lord, may kindly peruse page 24, my lord. My lord, because of this the failure of the machinery, my lord, I should not suffer, my lord. I'm a disabled person. And one of the applicants has a 9-month-old infant baby, my lord. 4th date. CD has not. Nagaon, my lord, not that far old. My lord, if in fact the FIR also reveals there is nothing against us. If I may kindly read, my lord, page 13, my lord, for a moment.
Yes.
My lord may have page 13. That on 5/10/25 at around 6 p.m. I was coming from other people's house towards my house when the accused found me alone in a deserted place and gagged my mouth and took me to a nearby bill and forcibly raped me. Later, I take the matter to the village headman. The case was delayed pending trial. My lord would kindly peruse the said FIR. On 5/10 it had occurred. On 12/10 they have lodged the FIR. My lord, for a grievous offense such as gang rape, 7 days delay, my lord. My lord, the actual fact in this case is that the husband of the said complainant had borrowed a sum of rupees 1 lakh from us. He could not repay it in time. He was taking time day in and day out. Now, my lord, when the end moment had come to pay the said money, they had filed this frivolous FIR against us. Suffering from last 43 days, my lord. At least interim may be given to us, my lord, till the CD comes. CD is also not being given, my lord. Disabled person is behind the bars. Having so much problems. Jail.
Already heard learned counsel for the petitioner, heard learned additional PP. The IO has failed to submit the CD on the 4th occasion today, despite previous directions of this court. So, considering the above, it is directed that directed in the interim that the petitioner so and so shall be released on bail of ₹1,000 each with two securities of like amount to the satisfaction of the CJM Nagaon.
CJM Nagaon, my lord. My lord, one second.
Already learned Elaka magistrate.
Yes.
Communicate a copy of this order to the Superintendent of Police, Nagaon, so that disciplinary action may be initiated against the concerned IO. Place the matter again on. Give the date.
Well, deeply obliged.
My plea. My lord, this is regular bill application. I am behind the bar since 78 days. FIR is at page number 30, 11%. Sir, some more account is some more money recovered from the house. So was the forwarding report
Is they not received also?
78 days. Kindly. Target house test. Receipt.
All right. He did not receive this. The matter on Friday.
Lordship,
Already 78 days.
at 312. 312. Only. What about again? Oh, what yeah. And 28.
Highly obliged.
Also, in this matter, has the petitioner has already been behind about 60 days. So for allegation has been made 60 days. As on today, this person has already been behind the work for. The basic allegation is that some money was taken by the
Did he received?
person.
CD is received.
Series task lordship. So 61 days.
Today is 60.
Mandatory period,
Today is how many days?
60 days.
Today 60 days.
Tomorrow only.
And 61 days. Today is 61 days. He was
What is your date of arrest?
arrested 25,
Production?
products on 26/9 and arrested 25/9/2020.
From 26/9, yes, PP, calculate.
Yes. Sixty days as of today. Today is 60 days.
By the time he gets the certified copy, it will be 61 days.
That's
I'd learned counsel for the learned PP. The allegation against the petitioner is that he had cheated a person from Bhutan of rupees 5 lakhs on a promise of doubling the money within a short period. Thereafter, he stopped all communication with the said person. It appears that the petitioner has already spent 60 days in custody. Statutory period of statutory period of detention being 60 days, and by the time he is actually released, if granted bail today, he would have crossed the said statutory period. Accordingly, prayer for bail is out. It shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 to securities of like the satisfaction. Learned like a magistrate. Further provided that petitioners shall cooperate with the investigation. Petitioners, two are there. Five petitioners, okay, rural shall cooperate with investigation and shall not try to influence or intimidate the witnesses. Will petition.
Please, okay, that case, my lord, it is 59 days, my lord. The case of theft, Nagarwood, my lord, case 12, my lord, after 13 days of the incident, FIR lost, my lord. Then took 39, saying that, my lord, a case of theft occurred at his house, my lord, in between 1:30 to 5:30 PM, page 12, my lord. 59 days, my lord, and everything is recovered by 59 days.
Not received the case diary.
Not received. Learned counsel for the petitioner, learned additional PP. The allegation against the this is an application under and so the allegation against the one petitioner,
It is a two.
petitioners is
my-
that they had stolen a large quantity of packets of agar wood, AGORW, from the residence of the informant. It is submitted that the petitioners have already spent 59 days behind bars and all the stolen articles been recovered. The CD of the case has not been received for the second occasion today. Considering the period of detention where bail is allowed, it same 50,000 securities, same condition.
TCM, my lord, Jai Shankaram Nagar. Jai Shankaram Nagar. All right.
Dispose of.
Your Lordship. Anticipatory bail application under 480 NSLC of
It's a probably FR submitted.
FR submitted. It's stated that withdraw. Stated I learned additional PP that FR has been submitted in the case, hence petition. Hence closed down withdrawal.
Much obliged.
Is after getting entry, my lord, the petitioner has already appeared with the Ayok. And today is the 6th day calling for
And if your lordship peruse the FIR, my lord, the informant used to file similar FIR against different persons. Therefore, thereafter she take money for for making settlement. I have annexed to FIR, my lord, for instance. May I submit, my lord? Kindly peruse page 10, annexure B, my lord. That is the FIR filed by the informant against one Borun Kundu, my lord. Page 10, annexure B. May I read, my lord? Receipt will beg to state that I had a relationship with the aforesaid accused persons, namely Borun Kundu, for about last 4 months. The accused persons had also
He has
given
been on interim for last 5 months
Yes,
with no CD.
but we have communicated several times to the concerned
Which police station? Ojai.
Ojai lordship.
I have already appeared before
Third
the
learned counsel for the
getting
petitioner. Learned additional PP.
May I submit, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, Borun Kundu, the accused persons. Similar FIR. The FIR against me was filed after 20 days.
Third learned
After the
additional PP. This is an application number so and so. The allegation. Dated 20/06/25, paragraph 4. The petitioner was granted interim protection on 20/06/25 and the case was fixed for CD. And even after 5 months, the IO has not been able to produce the CD despite several reminders. So it is further submitted that pursuant to the interim protection granted by this court, the petitioner has appeared before the IO and his statements have already been recorded. The aforesaid facts and circumstances, considering the failure of the IO to submit the CD despite repeated directions of this court, it is directed that the IO shall personally appear before the court on the next date fixed. Communicate a copy of this order to the Superintendent of Police, Ojai, for necessary action. Is the matter again on the interim order passed earlier remain in force till the next date.
I तो 11-12 को देखो 11-12 11-12 डिप्लोमा
The petitioner has been granted interim bail on 21/8. My lord, he has cleared it. Yeah. Statement has
Zip.
Is there is, my lord. Allegation is that, my lord, one person, my lord, that person eloped one minor girl, my lord. Then they went to, my lord, Bangalore, my lord, then they were, my lord, hiding out in Bangalore. Then, my lord, the police went to Bangalore in search of them, my lord. This girl, my lord, he informed them, my lord, the accused person and the victim girl, that this is gone Bangalore. So kindly be safe. So they have eloped from that place also. That is the allegation against.
The only thing is, he's a minor.
No, that the victim, my lord, who was eloped, the accused person, he is minor. But this girl is not minor.
Petitioner is different. Who is the
Different.
petitioner?
He helped the person, my lord.
against friend of the so-called victim, my lord. He is not a man named accused. Only, my lord.
She informed that, my lord, police has gone in search of them. This is the allegation.
Where did the police inform her that they are going?
He appeared, but arrest has been recorded.
I'd learned counsel for the petition from petitioner PP. There is an application under so and so. The allegation as contained in the FIR is that the daughter of the informant, aged 17 years, 4 months, was found missing on 10/4/25. And the informant came to know from reliable sources that the accused petitioner kidnapped his daughter from the vicinity of his house.
He is the petitioner, my lord.
Not petitioner,
Accused.
accused, only accused.
Only
Petition- accused. And confined her in an unknown place. Para CD has been received. Is submitted by learned additional PP that the role of the present petitioner is confined to informing the victim girl and the accused that police had gone to look for them in Bangalore, where the couple was staying. And because of this information, they fled. Full stop. Having regard to the nature of the. There was interim order.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Before that, right? Pursuant to interim protection granted by the petitioner had appeared before the IO and her statement was recorded. Para having regard to the above, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is of the order of interim pre-arrest bail dated
21/8.
21/8/25 is hereby made absolute. Petition stands allowed and disposed of.
Hey, please, Rob. City was called for, right? I'm on it. Well, in this case, my lord, search sheet has been submitted, my lord. But the search sheet number is not clear, my lord.
On the basis of PS case number also, charge sheet can be brought, I think.
I mentioned that, my lord, search sheet has been submitted, my. Search sheet submitted date is 26/9/2025. The number is not clear, man. This is a number, sir. Again, from the PS case number, PS case number 97. Can
Yes,
be
sir.
searched from the PS case number?
It is submitted, the charge sheet has already been submitted. Hence call for the PCR along with CD in connection with the Lakhipur PS number 97/25 under section 69/304 within bracket 2 BNS. Charge sheet has been submitted on date to DDO on
Date, my lord, 26/9/2025. 25.
list again on
Interim may continue.
interim order passed earlier to continue till the
The
next.
month of December, man. 15/12. Must. A report not received, my lord, some time may be granted.
Till then, my lord, you may be protected lordship, not be arrested lordship.
Let it come on 28, my lord.
The charge sheet was not my name lordship. Somebody else lordship, after filing the case by the learned trial court lordship, police is not, now he is, IO is coming, saying that I am that person. Earlier,
What I said, my
police
lord, it is
came,
mentioned,
lordship.
my lord. Mintaz alias,
Yes.
Mintaz Ahmed alias Mafidul, my lord.
Yes, lordship. Now, kindly see the lordship charge sheet.
Your name is Mofidul.
Mafidul, but I'm son of Nurul Islam lordship. Charge sheet lordship, he is Mintaz Ahmed, my lord, son of Nur Muhammad lordship. Kindly see the my identity lordship. My lord, police came lordship. For a moment lordship, kindly see page 19 lordship. Page 19.
All right,
selector 14.
CD not received. List again on Friday,
28, my lord.
28. Till then, no coercive action shall be taken against the petitioner.
Oblige, lordship.
Then, my lord, lordship may fix it on 5th, my lord.
All right, 5th.
Oblige, lordship.
5/12.
That in a page
Receive.
Yes, I received, my
that appear be IO statement of record. Appear in a page number 7. Very
Is your name?
Then Ali. My name is FIR law. The main accused, my name is
Yes, what is the involvement?
lord, my lord, one person, my lord, Nur Hussain, Hafiz, my lord.
Hmm.
He opened, my lord, some account in the bank, my lord. Some
Yes, we have read the FIR.
Yes,
But
my
what
lord.
is the involvement
Now,
of
my
the
lord,
present
this,
petitioner?
those accounts were used for, my lord, cyber fraud, my lord. And one minor person, his name is Samantha, my lord. He operates the account, my lord. But these are the person, my lord, who opened the accounts, my lord. Now, when this person was got arrested, my lord, and after releasing on bail, my lord, he has asked this Abdur Hassan Ali, my lord, to open bank account, my lord. And whenever, my lord, money is transacted, my lord, they get some commission. This is the allegation against them.
What do you mean by opening of the bank accounts? It's a fake account in the name of
my lord, some
fake person.
fictitious name, my lord. That is-
Fictitious name.
Yes, my lord. And those are used for, my lord, cyber fraud. my lord. Although they have mentioned, my lord, one Samantha, my lord, whether that person is, my lord, who is that Samantha, my lord, investigation is still going on. And some other accused person are yet to be arrested.
So
Yes.
after getting the election lordship with 2010, it also appear before the iron.
Yes, what did he say?
Well, his statement is not in the city, my lord, but he has appeared, my lord, that note of the investigating officer is there. So may we call for the up-to-date case diary, ma'am?
All right. Learned additional PP submits that although CD has been received, the same is not updated, as the statements of the petitioners are not available therein. Hence call for the updated CD. List again on.
But on, my lord, 17/12, ma'am.
Earlier in
Yes, earlier interim.
Please, Your Lordship, the petitioner is on interim law and give us call for.
My lord, in this case, my lord, search is submitted, ma'am.
Yes, where is the girl now?
Lordship, I don't have instruction regarding. Because there was a rough relationship and on suspicion the fire was lost. 2 days after the incident. Lord.
So you have no instructions yet. You have stated at paragraph 3 that the girl is with her parents. Yes, call for the.
Already search is submitted, my lord.
What do you propose to do? You'll appear.
Lordship.
Learned counsel. Petition. And additional PP. The allegation against the present petitioner is that he had taken away the minor daughter of the informant, as there was a love affair between them. Where I stated that at present the girl is with her parents. Pursuant to interim protection. There was interim.
Yes, Lordship. By order dated 24/9/25.
The petitioner appeared before the IO.
Yes.
Statement was also recorded. And an additional PP submitted that charge sheet has already been submitted
By search sheet number 33/2025, dated 28/10/2020. 28/10. 28/10. 28 October. 20.
in view of the prayer made by learned counsel for the petition. This application is with the direction that the petitioner shall appear within a period of here before the learned court below in a period of 15 days from today. In the event any bail application is filed, will be considered as per law. Till then, the interim order dated
24/9/20.
9 shall remain in force. petition hence disposed of accordingly.
Obliged, Lord.
Fair please, your Lord. Anticipatory bail application for offence under section 103, my lord. In this case, my lord, there was a cross affair also, and the last occasion, my lord, affair of the both case and cross cases. This case was the affair-
Juria is, 201 is here now.
201 charge sheet submitted in this case, Lordship. And 202 is here, Lordship.
202, I am
Keeps us
making-
at the same place.
202, I am the petitioner.
So CD was called in because this was a cross case.
Yes.
That case is charge sheeted, Lord. Charge sheet submitted on this 201. So
There was a my lord, first affair was lost by us, my lord. Occurrence of 23rd 9, 24th we lost the affair. I received, my lord, serious injuries on my head and back. And my lord, on the 25th, my lord, the affair against me and others has been lost. Our case is that, my lord, on that day, my lord, one, my lord, he was, my lord, in the cross affair. I have Ikram Hussain, my lord. He, my lord, he assaulted me badly, my lord. When I intervened, my lord, some, my lord, ladies, my lord, they were misbehaved by the Ikram. And I was assaulted, my lord, and subsequently this affair has been lost. I and some other person assaulted the, my lord, this is the.
going to the statement of the co-accused Lordship, a quarrel took place on date 23/7/25 in the marketplace of Juria. So at that time, the confrontation took place and both teams were assaulted by each one Lordship. And Asikur Rahman, the petitioner here, he also got injured at first statement of the co-accused. And this deceased person, he also got injured. And later on 25/7, he's expired, Lordship. And as per the postmortem report, still pending, opinion is still pending because it is not non-recipient of receipt of
But about the injuries mentioned in the
injuries here
postmortem.
Lordship, an abrasion size 7 cm into 5 cm is present in the back of the right scapular region and is reddish in color. Abrasion of size 5 cm, 5 centimeters is present in the back of the left scapular region and is reddish in color, Lordship. And another bruise abrasion of size 5 centimeter, 5 cm into 5 cm is present in the lower back in the midline and is reddish in color, Lordship. Injury part is there,
But the injury, these are abrasions.
abrasion. But
Are they sufficient to cause death?
that's why the person was expired on that 25/7, the FIR has lost after that, Lordship.
The incident is of
23/7,
23
25.
and death occurred, that means 2 days later.
2 days later. And that person also, the petitioner also performed injuries and hospitalized. Therefore, he released from the hospital.
So according to the CD, what took place was a quarrel.
Lordship.
And obviously, although it is kept pending for FSL viscera analysis, there is no question of administering poison by the petitioners at least.
That is.
And the injuries reflected in the postmortem report does not appear to be sufficient to cause death.
Lordship.
Pardon me, PM for the petition. PP. There is an application. The allegation is contained in the FIR that on 23/7/25, the husband of the informant was assaulted by a group of above by a group of persons, including the petitioners, and subsequently her husband died 2 days later. There are- It is submitted by senior counsel that for the petitioner that the petitioner side had also lodged an FIR on the same day.
On 24th, my lord. Very next day, my night
The-
is the occurrence.
On the next day against the informant side, making similar nature of allegations. There are on perusal of the CD, it is submitted by learned additional PP that there appears to have been a quarrel between the two sides, as a result of which both sides sustained injuries. On going through the postmortem report, the injuries indicated therein, that is abrasions, do not prima facie appear to be sufficient to cause death. On the other hand, police has submitted charge sheet in the case lodged by the petitioner side against the informant side, that is Juria PS case number 201 of 25. Having regard to the above, the prayer for pre-arrest bail is allowed. The petitioners in the event of their arrest. One petitioner only.
One petition.
The petitioner in the event of his arrest shall be released on bail of rupees 50,000 with two securities for like amount, the satisfaction of the arresting authority in connection with the aforesaid case. It is further provided that the petitioners shall cooperate with investigation and appear before the IO as and called. It is further provided that the petitioner shall not try to intimidate the witnesses in any manner. It is hence allowed accordingly.
Mobilize those.
Senior is in another court. Matter may be kept for the timing. Matter may be kept for.
It is here.
In this case, FR submitted also.
FR submitted.
Disposite of what?
An additional PP submitted.
No, but FR submitted.
FR has already been submitted in the case. It is hence closed as in fact.
My pleasure, Lord. In this case, my lord, a CDU was called for and by an order passed by your lordship, the protection was given to the petitioner, my lord. Petitioner-
Receipt.
Told the CD has been received, my lord. The date of occurrence, my lord, the petitioner was by carrying on his behavioral business, staying in my lord, Durban, Malawi, which is about place far away from the place of occurrence, my lord. The father of the petitioner, his name the accused in the FIR, and his younger brother also named in the FIR, my lord. The younger brother, the accused number 11, he has already been arrested, my lord. The father, till now, he could not be arrested because of that. They have deputy police threatening the petitioner, my lord, for his arrest, my lord. That I have stated in my petition also, my lord.
What is the injury?
Injury report not there, the face.
Not there.
No, no.
Somebody died, PM report must be there.
It is not received. Lordship. Same report is not available.
It is submitted that on an additional PP that although CD has been received, the PM report is not available. Call for the PM report, please the matter again on 9/12. Interim order passed earlier, shall continue.
CD to
till
be
the-
written,
Thanks. Yes,
only PM.
11. There will be another 11, my lord. Interim order is that published.
Maybe. Yes, bail application, my lord. Consequently, they pay that pays 11 FIR, my. Actually,
PCR is received.
fact is that, my lord, out of love affairs, my lord, being a major, my lord, they married each other, my. Also, a male baby also born, my lord, out of wedlock. They arise because of husband and wife, my. He left. Not there's the case that my. For share my. Okay.
Lordship, some time may be granted to go through. the-
Yes, you go through the TCR. Take it after some.
Happening. Yeah, this is the third affair, Lordship. Lordship, this
Lordship,
is yes, Sabuni.
after some time.
Anticipated bail application lodge.
Is there a
You'll find the FIR is at page 17. Lord. And Lordship, there was a regular accident, Lordship. This in the informant side and the friend of the petitioner, Lordship. And due to such accident, Lordship, there was a quarrel between the parties. The petitioner was called on by the friends of the petitioner, Lordship. On first sequence, he was not there. Secondly, he appeared where another quarrel took place, Lordship. He was there, that is admitted, but he was trying to stop them from assaulting each other, Lordship. There was a fight going on. The only when he appeared in the place of occurrence, Lordship, the informant side also started assaulting them, due to which he fled away by leaving his car on the spot, Lordship. His car was there, Lordship, Tata, white color Tata Harrier. Your Lordship, peruse the affair. They are mentioned two vehicles, one Tata Harrier, another Creta car, Lordship. Tata Harrier comes later on, Lordship. The Tata Harrier is the owner, is the Tata Harrier is the petitioner, Lordship.
So the jury report collected by the IO, my lord, from the hospital, my lord, out of which, my lord, one person, my lord, he sustained grievous, my lord. Other person, my lord, injuries are simple, my lord. Now, my lord, nobody has been implicated by the victim, my lord, and also by the other witnesses. So, my lord, initially one accident took place, my lord. So some scuffle took place. After that, public intervened, then both the parties went off, my lord. Then, my lord, again, my lord, this accused person, my lord, they have again come. The allegation is that again come, my lord, and they have assaulted the, my lord, victim and other person, my lord. Now, my lord, this, although, my lord, no witnesses have been, my lord, implicated this person, my lord. I have not found, my lord, even, my lord, the person who sustained grievous injury, my lord, he is also not implicated.
What is his name?
His name is Sompok Das, my lord. Whatever my learned friend has submitted, my lord, the vehicle and, my lord, his money bag has been, my lord, found in the vehicle, my lord. That is the allegation against him.
The affair also stated that I abandoned my car on the spot, Lord.
This was found at not in his vehicle, but at the place of occurrence.
Place of occurrence,
That is all.
that is what. But in the vehicle, my lord, 3 persons were there, my lord. That is also a statement
From
the-
this itself, the role played by him is not clear.
Not clear, my lord. This is the only
may
matter is
have
that
been
my
there.
lord, his wallet has been recovered, given to the police. Wallet and some identity card and Aadhaar card, etc.
Third learned counsel for the investigation. The allegations as reflected in the FIR is that 1910-25 the car of the government when the informant was about to move his another vehicle took a dangerous sharp turn close to the informant and braked abruptly, because of which quarrel broke out and 3 men from the car came and started abusing them and attacked them with fists, sharp objects, causing injuries. The government side, because of public intervention, the party, but while the persons from the informant side were receiving treatment in the accused person again came and launched an attack. But seeing a crowd gathering, the state person fled. Sarah, perusal of the CD submit that certain recovery of the wallet belonging to the petitioner from there no specific deal against him, and the victim has also not implicated the petitioner. Where having regard to the prayer bail is allowed. 3,000 considered.
Let him appear before the IO immediately, my lord.
This is AB.
AB, my lord, that is
AB, the event of his arrest. Further, the petitioner is directed to appear the IO within a period of 7 days. Shall not try to influence immediate witness. And then back the seat.
Highly obliged.
Return.
Lordship had called for the CD, man.
CD risk.
Investigation of theft, personal fit, and the guest of by unknown person. And if I
Yes.
Lordship, from the statement of accused and other Seja witness, Lordship, his name is not mentioned.
Learned counsel, the petition, and addition. This is an application for abstaining from. The allegation as contained in the FIR is that theft of certain articles was committed from the shop of the informant by unknown person. Also, para. On an additional PP, a result of the CD submit that no incriminating material have been found against present petition. Para considering the above, therefore, arrest bill is allowed. Event of his arrest 50,000. Unsure. Petitioner shall appear before. Yes, he has already appeared.
No, there is no entry method.
Petitioner shall appear before the IO within a period of 7 days. I got to 0 days.
Probably not.
This year, if 40 years appeared. What to do? You'll have to see the PCR is.
I have gone through.
Huh?
I have gone through.
Gone through. The thing is there.
Really, one is that, my lord, the Sashited case, my lord, Sashited has been submitted. My lord, as per the FIR, my lord, there are some theft took place in the, my lord, godown of the, my lord, logistic counter, my lord. Then, my lord, some mobile recovered, my lord, mobile was stolen, my lord, and it was sold to, my lord, this petitioner and his brother's shop, my lord. Where from, my lord, the other accused person, they have purchased, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, this mobile phone has been recovered, my lord. And, my lord, they have been searched, my lord. Allegation is that they have purchased the stolen food, my lord, stolen goods knowingly, my lord. The petitioner appear, my
But before the.
my lord.
Let us hear them. Take up. Day after tomorrow. None appears for the petition again. 26 now. Also write PCR is received.
Your Lordship, this is against conviction under section 325, Your Lordship, for 3 years. Your Lordship. Your Lordship will kindly appellate order is dated 20/11/2021. We have filed delay, Your Lordship, delay has condoned and just come up, Your Lordship, this has come up today, Your Lordship, in motion column, and he is already behind bar, Your Lordship. He was arrested. It is 28/5/2000 on 28/5/2000. 15/10/2025. We have filed an additional affidavit there. And since then he resigned bar.
So you are challenging,
Put the orders, trial court and appellate. Your lordship may take the IA, your lord. In fact, what has happened in this case, your lordship, was since he has not capacity to engage a lawyer, your the counsel, legal service, he appeared on behalf, and thereafter your appeal confronted your lordship that he was not informed about the outcome of the appeal. Only once, your lordship, before Corona, your lordship, notice was issued, your lordship, the warrant was issued, that was not, your lordship, executed, and thereafter matter remained pending. Suddenly, your lordship, he, when police visited his place, your lordship, he could come about this entire thing. Therefore, delay was there, your lordship, and delay, your lordship, was condoned. The order is that page.
so what is the maximum sentence now here?
3 years, your lordship.
Only 3 years.
3 years.
Only because of his non-appearance.
Before arrest, he could not come. Otherwise, your lordship, it has been disposed of on merit. Appeal and the appellate order, your lordship will get it at page 12. Our basic ground is that, your lordship, there was no medical document produced so far as, your lordship, for the trial court as well as the appellate court also did not
The judgment was pronounced in your absence, appellate judgment.
lordship. No, your lordship will kindly see PM.co, legal aid counsel for the appellant was. Legal aid counsel was. I have.
But he did not inform.
Lordship did not inform. Otherwise, I would have come, your lordship, relevant time itself.
Anyway, that part is over now.
Lord Rauhart. Now only since 3 years you
To answer learned counsel for the petition. LPP. This IA has been referred. Taking suspension. The hence dated 28/3/29 passed by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Golaghat, convicting the appellant, sentencing him to undergo RI for 3 years. Besides other sentences of lesser extent. And also the appellate order passed by the learned additional session Judge Golaghat in criminal appeal number 17 of 19 dated 28/3/19 affirming the order. Same order to case number 2, PR case number 1123 public 2014. Also to release the petition who has been in custody since
your lord 15/1, your lord 15/10
15/10
2020.
25. It is the settled law that in case of sentences of fixed period, especially of short duration, sentences are normally suspended. unless there are exceptional reasons to do otherwise. Accordingly, the tense hereby suspended. Petitioner directed that the petition be released on bail of 1,000 like amount, subject to the condition that in the event of dismissal of the present petition, the petitioner shall appear before the learned trial court to serve up the rest of his sent highest tense closed of record revision.
The main case, Lordship, may call for that. The TCR,
In
man.
the main case, you have ordered.
Maybe admitted, my lord, it's the revision petition.
The petition is admitted for hearing. Call for the can of the
But here the appeal has already been admitted and the person is in jail since February 2020. I'm just pressing the, my lord, interlocutory application filed for suspension sentence or raising it from B. The punishment is of 7 years under section 304B. Entirely on the presumption and some conjectures that the wife committed suicide, since the wife committed suicide within 6 months of her marriage. So the doubt is on the husband. So he has been convicted under section 304B under a presumption of under section 113P, the Indian evidence. If I may take your lordship to the evidence, I prepared a paper book, my lord, where I have translated all the evidence of the cases.
You have been there for 1 year.
Then 1 year, almost 2 years, February 2024. And
February 24.
24. My parents are also ill, and unfortunately, last month my younger brother died by an accident. So the situation is not favorable to the, my lord, family members. And this is a legal aid matter, preparing legal aid. Paper book, if I may take your lordship to the finding of the learned at page 102.
Sentence is for 7 years.
7 years.
Okay, we'll take care of this. 7 years only.
7 years. NCR has also come, my lord.
Let it be fixed for hearing. In the meantime, my lord, I may be the situation is not good in the
Pass the chamber. In the main appeal, you write in view of order passed in IN number. Bill is admitted for hearing. Well, PCR is here.
LCR is it?
It is already admitted, my lord.
Already
admitted.
admitted. Release the matter.
Come for order.
Release the matter for hearing.
Has
4
come.
weeks.
Considering the IA.
So I will pass the order.
Much obliged.
Chamber.
Wait. There's an IAB filed for suspension of sentence.
IA is there.
The last occasion we were directed to take step.
IA.
As per office note dated 1811, neither AD card nor answer note.
It's very recent.
Gotcha.
Only 10, 11.
It will come after some time.
As per office note, steps were taken on 10/11/25. The steps were taken, a notice was issued on 10/11/25 and service is not yet complete. Await service. List again. Give a date after 4 weeks.
Lordship, in the main case, we have taken steps with the local PSA. No instruction.
It also will verify my come after 4 weeks.
Fine.
Wait, the washing, the maintenance, monthly maintenance. This what happened, ma'am? The matter has been settled.
Is the IFO?
IFO, my lord, first time, my lord, the restaurant took the permanent alimony. Second time, my lord, after taking the permanent alimony, my lord, she entered to second marriage, my lord. For which, my lord, I felt the IFO implementing the party, my lord, for second husband, my lord. My lord, already 2 grants is there, my lord. Already second marriage is
So notice
earlier issued, my lord.
issued.
Filing before IM.
Service report is awaited.
Only in the meantime, my lord, very moderate. Because already permanent element took take
No,
second
this-
and
there is-
second marriage is
This has come up for the first time. I think there is no order.
earlier come, my lord. Notice is also issued 20th February.
In the IA.
No, IA first.
So we have to issue, implement
Yes,
him
yes,
first.
yes.
We pass implement orders first, issue notice to
Yes.
him.
Only for the TCR also, child protect.
It has come. Has it come?
The TCR has not come, my lord. It's not shown in the, my lord.
The IA 1051. This IA has been preferred, seeking implement of one Abdul Barek. Since the respondent number 2 got married to him, and hence he is a necessary party to the instant application. There are hard alternate counsel and additional PP. Accordingly, Abdul Barek, son of late Gulbar Ali, be implemented as respondent number 3 in the connected criminal petition 224 of 25. Necessary corrections to the cause title be made. I stands disposed of accordingly. The main case is on respondent number 2 or ID card been received back as per office note dated 27/10/20. Await service. Respondent number 2 as well as respondent 3. In view number 3 in view of order passed in IA 1051 2025. Yet to petitioner take steps needed. List again.
But kindly call for.
Yes. In the main case, you write also call for the TCR, scan copy of the
Scan
TCR.
Oblige.
PCR is received.
Receipt. Maybe.
None appears for the petitioner. PCR has been received. List again on. Give it. Date.
I have gone through the case this year, Lordship. In 164 Lordship, she has implicated the present accused and the present accused is absconded till date, Lordship.
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, just I would like to submit one. This affair is prima facie false. Kindly see page 33 in my bail application, Lordship. What happened, Lordship? This is the third affair. The earlier two affairs, Lordship, he did not contain that I was after marriage I have forcefully referred, Lordship. So kindly see, Lordship, page number 33.
Yes, Lord. Expert has passed family and page there, Lord. Already.
Service not complete. Service is not complete as per office note. Await service.
It will take place.
Already. Petitioner take press steps. List again after 4 weeks.
Published. Published.
I look respondent, I want IA regarding payment of internet. Tomorrow morning they have received the same. We want some time.
Pardon?
We want some time for go on it. Respondent file one IA on today morning, my lord. They have received it on the at 12. And some. Oh,
Please, your lordship. Lordship, kindly use for phase 4 that the revision petition state of backing payment has filed revision petition against the judgment dated 24/3/2020 on a court to issue notice as per order so into and did not pass any order staying the operation of affected judgment. Thereafter, the revision petitioner law attending the Court of Principal Judge Family Court Guwahati towards payment of maintenance at dated so in but no payment was made by the revision. In other words, the revision petitioner did not pay the maintenance allowance ticket, which is lordship plus 64,000.
You have stated that in your cost title that it is an application for non-payment of maintenance allowance.
Yes, Lord.
You don't want payment. Anyway, they will file counter.
Yes, Lord.
What is the amount earlier directed?
7,000 for the 7,000 for wife and 4,000 for
Which you have not paid till date.
Yes, Lord. He's not in working woman. But he-
Where is the main case? Any stay, no stay order is there.
No stay order.
Yes, Lordship.
In the main case also, you have not filed any objection, although you were granted the opportunity. No, to that side.
Yes.
It has prayed for by Turnet IA 1123. Has prayed for by Turnet Council for the petitioner. Taking time to submit objection. Is the matter again on. If after 10 days. Pardon?
Case for the earlier orders, they are all for. One of the same, the interim prayer was there is
Available.
available. That's the service. We have submitted the track report last. Service was also completed on the private. And fire. Date 5/9/2024. The officer in charge, Azara, subject Azahar, sir, with due respect, I and so it about of Azara back to inform you that in the month of 24, I came to be introduced to Bulkolita. Is it about 24 years, resident of Kamaikha Gate. Subsequently, we became friends and as such we talked with each other. Relationship of love developed between us. On the 7th of July, he wanted to introduce his family, which I consented. Took me to a house, but there was nobody present in the said house. When I asked, said that everyone will come after some time. Thereafter, he established a physical relationship with me without my consent. He did not listen to my protest and committed atrocity upon me and made a video of the entire incident. When I asked him to delete the video, he did not delete it. Subsequently, he ended the relationship with me. The month of August, he threatened of making the video viral and pressurized me to establish a relationship with him again. He has been threatening to kill me. Also, he has been asking for nude photos and videos. Also threatened that if I take help from the police, he will kill me. Also, he had been promising to marry me previously. The allegation again. Pursuant to my arrest, I have helped the police. He will kindly come to the list at page 33. There's a consensual relationship between government and the petition. I have annexed the Caesar list. This is MR number 267, 2024. Azara PS case number so and so. I, WSI, Queen Fukandu hereby seized the noted documents as produced by managers Sajid Guha, son of so and so, Vintage Homestay 80 Road, PS Pan Bazar, Kamrup Metro, Assam, and leaded by Sri Bupul Kolita.
who is the accused of the case, in presence of the below signed witnesses. This seizure is made in connection with above noted case reference, date and time of seizure 8/9/24, place of seizure Vintage Homestay 80 Road, Manbazar. Description of seizure: pages of printout copy of hotel register containing the name of Gokul Kolita and Trinami Medin on dated 36/2024.